student, we are studying sense and Venn diagram. So today we will discuss about different types of Venn diagram first of all. And what is the basic concept of two sets who are disjoint? Disjoint means no common elements is there. You can see A, B, C, and D. There is no common element. That is why we have. That is why this is the reason only that we have uh, joined separately. We have drawn this diagram separately. Okay. If some elements are common, then, for example, if some elements are common, then what we will do? What is the common in these two sets?
2 is the common.
2 is the common. So in this case, when some elements are common, so we draw diagram which is overlapped. These two circles are overlapped. The reason is this is in between. This is the only reason. Okay. This is the only reason. I can kindly write down these important points. In this area, only A elements will come, and this area which is overlap is the for common, and this is the area only for B. Are you getting my point? Yes, Hamesh. Why? Okay, when we draw a diagram, when some things are common, how can we draw the diagram? Yes, Hamesh. Hamesh, can you hear me?
Yes.
How can we draw that diagram which are overlapped to each other?
So we can make one circle and conjoin it with the other circle, so we can put both the common the different elements on the side.
Okay, hope you have drawn this. Now we are starting shading. Put the heading in your notebook. Shading. Identify the given notation and shade the region on separate Venn diagram. How can we draw on separate diagram? Please put the heading. Okay. Now the first thing is A union B. How can we shade A union B? As we have discussed that all elements of A union B elements, in this case A union B, all elements of A and B are counted. So that is why we have shaded the whole two circles. Okay. All two circles will be counted. All right. What about A intersection B? What about A intersection B? How can we shade this one? Yes, Zakim. Yes, Zakim. Yes, Zakim, please. Are you there?
सर आपकी आवाज सही से नहीं आ रही।
उस्मान इशफाक,
सर
अब आवाज आ
आपके
रही है?
बहुत शोर हो रहा है, आपकी आवाज सही नहीं आ रही।
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ अब आवाज आ रही है आपको?
सर वो आवाज आ रही थी, मगर पीछे बहुत शोर हो रहा था, तो आपकी आवाज मतलब वो जोर से नहीं आ रही थी, बहुत हल्की हल्की आ रही।
चलें ठीक है जाकिन, अब आप बताइए कि ये दो सेट जो मैंने बनाया, हाउ कैन वी शेड द ओवरलैप पार्ट ओनली इन दिस? यस यस जाकिन,
तो नजर नहीं आ रहा वो वाला जो आपने बनाया है नीचे।
सेकंड पार्ट मैंने बोला, सेकंड पार्ट ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कह रहा हूँ मैं, ए
सर वो जो कॉमन
इंटरसेक्शन बी
वाला
कह रहा
होगा
हूँ।
एरिया, जो कॉमन वाला एरिया होगा उसको शेड करेंगे।
ओके वेरी गुड, जो कॉमन वाला एरिया वी विल शेड दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया। ओके ठीक है। ओके नाउ ए, व्हाट इज ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट? ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट
सर जो
मीन यू हैव अंडरस्टूड।
जो ए के
यस,
एलिमेंट के बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट होता है।
नहीं नहीं, व्हाट इज द बेसिक डेफिनेशन ऑफ ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट? क्या होता है कॉम्प्लीमेंट का, क्या मतलब है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट? ऑल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ यूनिवर्सल सेट excluding a elements. So I will not count, in this case I will not count the set A, that is why this is empty, and outside whatever is left will be shaded. Similarly, what is B complement? What is B complement?
All the elements in the universal set excluding the B.
B element, good. Okay, what about this one? What about this one? A union B whole complement. What does it mean?
All the elements in the universal set excluding A and B. The elements of A and B.
Excluding A element. Okay. Excluding A and B. Union of A and B. You should say union of A elements. Okay. Have you done this one? One more thing, that in another case you can find the elements of A union B, and you should remove this, and then you will not be counted such elements. Okay. Are you getting? Okay. Similarly, if I ask you this one, another one, how can we do this? Just I am going to draw over here. How can we do this? Okay. Now there is a question I'm going to give you. A union five 5 1. Okay. Can you do this? I'm giving you A with the help of. Okay. How can we shade this? With the help of previous examples, please draw this diagram, and I will be waiting for you. You have 2 minutes. All of you, please draw the diagram and then tell me. Okay? You have 2 minutes.
Sir, in this diagram in A and B, the common part will be shaded.
सर वही डायग्राम बनेगी जो 4 पार्ट में बनी थी।
So what is the difference if we draw the same diagram in 4 parts? What is the difference?
Sir, the difference will be that the common part will be shaded.
Common part will not be shaded because common is the answer, and the whole answer will not be shaded. Okay, student, look at this. What is this? If I do this one, what is that? this is A intersection B. This is A intersection. This is the answer. But over here, this is complement. Complement means you have to remove this, and rest of the concept will be, rest of the elements will be shaded. So what will be shaded now? Tell me. Yes, please. Which part will be
सही
shaded
वाले से
now?
समझ नहीं आया जो अभी आपने समझाया।
मैं ये
सर
कह रहा हूँ
आउटसाइड
कि
बाउंड्री
भाई ए इंटरसेक्शन बी को छोड़ देना है, एक्सक्लूडिंग ए इंटरसेक्शन बी। ये जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता है ये क्या बोलता है? एक्सक्लूड कर दो इसको, एक्सक्लूड, इसको एक्सक्लूड कर दो बेटा। What the answer of A intersection B should not be counted. Now our answer is this, and rest of the part will be shaded now. Okay.
सही से समझ में आ गया।
गुड। अब ये A है और ये B है, सिर्फ इसको छोड़ दो। Now you should shade all parts. Okay, are you getting my point? Now very important concept is coming. Very important concept is coming. That is now. Remember, complement mean exclude that answer. Now 6-1 A complement union B. Now please tell me what is the answer of this. Now I will teach you this one. It might be a bit difficult for you, but actually this is not a difficult thing. Don't worry. Okay, this is A and this is B. Okay, remember student, we must write over here
सर वी
universal
विल
set.
शेड ओनली बी पार्ट
It is union also there, union. Union means the rest
सर
of the
बाउंड्री
part
और
will be
बी
union with universal set. Listen, union is written means the rest of the part should be union with universal set. So this will be excluded. A, only A will be excluded, but including B and all other part will be shaded. And you write universal set here. Okay, there is a difference. Okay. What about this? A union, B complement. Now what is the answer?
Sir,
Have you drawn this diagram?
sir, A part will be shaded, not B part. B part will be left alone, and the whole part will be shaded.
Yes. Good. This is universal set. This is A. This is B. Now B will be left, but the whole A part plus okay, this will be shaded. Hope you have drawn the next one. Please draw this in your notebook. This time we are using intersection. So there is only one difference. When there is intersection, so we should be careful about it.
सर ओनली बी पार्ट विल बी शेड
Only B. Very good. Very good. Only B part will be shaded. Okay. A should be removed, so only B part will be shaded. Always remember, it means only B. Good. Third one you have to draw 9. Now you draw this. I'm giving you. What does it mean? Only.
Only A part will be
Sir,
shaded.
only A part will be shaded.
So,
ये
draw
part
the diagram.
वो शेड होगा.
Okay, draw the diagram. After you, I will draw this.
Sir, diagram drawn.
Good. Okay. Which diagram have you drawn? Like this. I'm drawing over here. Okay. Only A will be shaded. Kindly check in your notebook. Is this the same as I have drawn for you? Is this the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Good. No, students, there is a class activity now. I'm giving you one question. So uh, you have to draw, identify and shape. This is exercise 10C, question number 10. Look at this. Exercise 10C, question number 10. So I'm writing question for you. Question is, identify and shade the following regions. Identify and shade the following regions on separate Venn diagram. On separate Venn diagrams. Okay. Let me write what are those parts for you. K intersection L. K intersection L. Second one, Second one, K union L. K union L. And then K union L. Third one, K union L whole company. You have 5 minutes for this activity in class. Hurry up, do this. Yes, Mohammed Shahir, yeah, you are joining class in just right now. Abdul Rafi, have you drawn all?
Yes, sir. All diagrams which you have drawn, all line
सर
diagrams.
डन हो
Okay, who has done? Tell your name, please. Abdul Rafi.
Yes, sir. Done.
Please explain in the class.
सर ये पिछली वाली आपने कराई थी या ये वाली?
Explain in English, please.
Sir, the
Explain
last
in
one
English.
or this one?
This one.
Sir, this one is not drawn.
Abdul Rafi, explain this one.
This first diagram K and L will be two circle will be drawn in which um the first one only the shaded region will be only the common area will be shaded. In the second part the whole circle will be shaded, and while in the last one a rectangle will be made in which two circles will be drawn, and whole will be shaded.
Yes, Usman Mohammed Shahriyar Junaid. Please explain. Now it's your turn. Shahriyar Junaid, it's your turn now. Yes, Abdul Rafi and Arish Ali. Arish Ali, Abdul Rafi and Arish Ali. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Arish Ali, please explain and ask any question from the class. Abdul Rafi and Arish Ali.
I have explained that.
Good. Where is Arish? Yes, yes, a student. Yes, Zakin, are you there? Zakin, are you there? Hello, Zakin. Okay, now I hope you have drawn all these in the same way that I have drawn the previous diagram. I want feedback from Momin Rizwan as well. Momin Rizwan.
सर जो पहला वाला पार्ट है ना उसमें कॉमन वाला पार्ट जो होगा वो शेड नहीं होगा, बाकी होगा सारा.
And the next one. What about the next one? Yes, what about the next one? Okay, student, are you ready now? So this was the question. Now, please open the book, exercise 14C. We have done in 14C. There is a big question. Okay, there is a question given in your diagram, in your book, exercise 14C. The complete a complete one is given to you related to this. Question number 18. All of you please open the book, page number, question number 18 now. Look at this. Question 18. Exercise 14C. Question 18. Student, in this case, there are many questions are given to you. A lot of practice is there. What are these questions? Question number 18. A union B whole complement. I am writing one by one. Part 1. A union B whole complement. The same thing, students, shade the regions. 18. The same thing, shade the region on separate diagram. Okay, shade the region following diagram. Part 1. Student, number 1 is there. Number 1 is there. A union B complement. Second part, all of you please start drawing the diagrams. Okay, I am writing questions, and then at the end I will draw all diagrams for you so that it will be a comprehensive practice in the class. Part 2. A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. Third one. A union B whole complement. Whole complement. 4. A intersection B whole complement. Whole complement. Fifth one. Have you people started? Hello students, have you started? Okay, now please start doing this. These 8 questions in your. You have to draw 8 diagrams in your notebook. Hurry up. Okay, students, if you have drawn, so that we should continue.